Hello everyone, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this airplane follow the mouse. So you can see I already have this sky background and this airplane sprite, so let's start coding. I'm going to click on add component and type airplane and press new script, and I'm going to open this up in Visual Studio. In the update function I'm going to type vector3 mouse position equals input.mouse position, and I'm going to type mousepause.z equals 0. Vector3 object position equals camera.main.world to screen point, and transform.position mousepause mousepause.x equals mousepause.x minus object pause.x. Mousepause.y equals mousepause.y minus object pause.y. And then float angle equals mathf.tan2 mousepause.y mousepause.x times mathf.radian 2 degrees. Transform.rotation equals quaternion.euler new vector 3 0 0 and angle plus 270, and then vector 3 target pause equals camera.main.screen to world point input.mouse position and target pause.z equals 0. Transform.position equals vector3.move towards transform.position target pause and speed times time.delta time. So I forgot a comma here, and I'm going to make a public float called speed and a public float called rotation offset. And let me name this speed, and right here where it says 270 I'm going to type in rotation offset. So now I'm going to save the script and go back to Unity, and let me set the speed to 5 and the rotation offset to 270, and let me change this lower and press play. And you can see the airplane follows the mouse and moves around. I'm going to go to the main camera and make this follow the airplane, so I'm going to type in camera, and I'm going to double click on this to open it up. And all I need to do to make a follow is make a public transform called player and a public vector3 called offset, and also a public float called follow speed, and type transform.position equals vector3.lerp from transform.position to player.position plus offset and follow speed times and follow speed. So now I can save the script and go back to Unity, and I'm going to drag in the airplane, set the offset z to -10 and the follow speed to 0.01 01, and press play. And this is way too low, and you can see that the camera now moves around with the airplane, and the airplane also moves around. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next one.